What if I told you the only thing standing between you and everything you've ever wanted is an excuse? Think about it. Every time you say, I don't have time, I'm too tired, or I'll start tomorrow, you're not delaying your dream, you're destroying it. Excuses feel safe. They protect your ego, but they also paralyze your progress. And while you're hesitating, someone out there with fewer resources, more responsibilities, and less support is already moving. They're not waiting for the perfect moment. They're not asking for permission. They're doing. You see, success isn't reserved for the most talented or the most fortunate. It belongs to the most committed. The ones who show up when it's hard, when it's uncomfortable, when every part of them says not today, but they do it anyway. That's the difference. That's the choice. Excuses are just fear in disguise. Fear of failure, fear of change, fear of discomfort. But nothing grows in comfort. Progress demands pain. It demands sacrifice. And it demands action. So here's the fix. Stop negotiating with your limits. Stop feeding your doubts with time and energy. Don't wait for motivation. It's unreliable. Take the next step. Any step. Lace up your shoes. Close the social media tab. Get uncomfortable. And move. Because real change doesn't come when you feel ready. It comes when you start, ready or not. Discipline begins when feelings end. Momentum builds when motion starts. And your future, the one you dream about late at night, is built in silence, with sweat, struggle, and self-control. So if you're still waiting for a sign, this is it. No more excuses. Just do it. Because tomorrow isn't promised. But this moment, right now, it's yours. Take it.